Does this plumbing system confuse you? Many people don't know and would think it's strange to see both the hot and cold water pipes connected together, right? The other day, I worked on this 4-way pipe fitting, and people were really interested in it. The most common question is, doesn't the 4-way fitting restrict the water flow? It does restrict it, but not significantly, and the water flow is still fine. Oh, and there was another question. What kind of magic is that? I didn't know how to answer in a cool way. Could you guys help me with that? Goodbye.